After becoming a partner, you can immediately add your slot, or you can navigate through your profile. Go to Partner Access. Select Manage Space, then click on Manage Slots, and finally, Add Slot. First, select your slot type. Let's choose Room. Give your slot a name, upload a photo, and add a brief description to let your customers know what to expect. Next, follow these steps. Set the minimum reservation notice. Choose your compensation option. Will you offer a voucher for your customers to use, or give them access privileges to your slot? For the scheme option, decide if the slot will be dedicated for one reservation at a time or shared among multiple reservations. Set the capacity of the slot and choose up to 3 vibe descriptors that capture the atmosphere you want to convey. You'll also need to select inclusions to let customers know what's available with the booking. Next, let's set availability. Choose your start and end times. Then select the months and days your slot will be available for booking. Moving on to pricing. For base pricing, select the duration by hours, choose the minimum duration, and set the price. For inflation pricing, choose the start and end times, set the rate, select the applicable days and months, and save your changes. Deflation works the same way. Set the times, rate, and period, then save your settings. Once you've completed all these steps, your slot will be ready for bookings. You can repeat this process to add additional slots.